Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing? A fast recap um, with the session we had in the morning. What we did, we ended up getting in here on the orb in 5 minutes. What happened? We almost went out here, but this fair value gap it holds on 1 minute if we see it. This is where we were talking about the unicorn, and it came back, then again a little bit higher, then back higher, and I think we went out on break even somewhere here in the last possible moment before it going even higher. So we killed it right here. I missed the chance to kill it here, but I did it here. So we ended up on break even. Oop. But it was a long wait, like long wait. On Nasdaq, we didn't enter here, but as you see, just when we move to break even, with the next candle, it came down. We didn't enter here, but we just saw it as a statistic. So it was break even. Nothing we missed. There is 1 minute till the open. What are our expectations? Well, we're in uptrend. We have this liquidity from the speech, from the news we get. Why it came up so big? Maybe on two. So we have this liquidity here, news liquidity, if you wish, and we have this liquidity right here on the bottom. So this is our target from this session. If it managed to take this one up here, then we go for previous day highs. Wow, good candle here. Let's go on 1 minute. And it's important to be said that we're over this 1 hour fair value gap. So we're trending above this 1 hour fair value gap. I'm going to delete it now. On the DR side, we are trending a bit higher and higher every time. So our bias is for bias to for buys to be honest. DR here, it was a long wait, so there was nothing interesting. Again, we need to swipe either the highs or the lows of those news. I'm gonna delete this and this and this. I'll leave the Asian high because we can see how the Asian high is like a support at the moment. We're the all-time high of the daily candle now, and we took the news high. The next target is previous weekly high. It can go both ways here with gold. I think this is the dangerous one of both. Just a second to see if I have everything lined up and open. Yes. Okay. Oop. I'll take away this DR window. Something important to notice is that we took previous weekly high. We already took it, but we try to trend above it. This is important to see if we're gonna be above the previous weekly high or we're gonna stay below. This is something important to watch. This is the third candle, so yeah, we can start drawing our orb. As always, Nasdaq is open during the newest session is opening with a huge volume, big candles. So keep in mind, it's dangerous. On the 1 minute, it can change its mind very fast. But on the other hand, we can get really fast trade as well. This is the fourth candle. The fourth candle here as well. I'm gonna mark them here. Are we on 5 minutes? Yes, we're on 5 minutes here. There we go, 1 minute. And here, 1 minute. Let's zoom it a little bit. Hide all of them. So we have basically one candle for now. It's making the whole range. It's almost the same with gold. And this is the last candle that's going to determine our opening range. There we go. We have our opening range for both. Now, if we close above on Nasdaq, we're gonna enter. Yeah, the initial target will be those highs, and we can see a reaction from there. So we're gonna move to break even if we end up entering here. So we need to be careful with those highs. But yeah, for now it's okay. So I'm gonna move my C trader. There's 10 more seconds. Candle close. And I'm in. Okay, on Nasdaq, we entered. Right here. Stop loss is right here. And we're gonna target 1 hour for now. Because we have this previous day high. So maybe we'll try trailing stop loss. Let's see first how it's gonna react from those highs if we manage to get there. Gold is closing below, which I'm not really interested in that for now, for the 1 minute. Now with the 1 minute on Nasdaq, it should be easy push to the news liquidity right here. Easy push. I'm gonna mark it here as well. I put it now for on the previous day high, but we're gonna put a trailing stop loss if we get to there, and we're gonna monitor this liquidity right here. So we're gonna be really careful with it. I haven't entered here on the gold, but I just wanna mark it. I just wanna mark this area. to see how it's gonna perform. I'll just mark it. And just for the sake of it, I'm gonna mark it here as well, so we can watch. Okay, 8 minutes post open the market. Okay, good push. Very good push. Now we need to be really careful with those highs if we manage to get them. I expect a little bit more volume, at least until those highs. Now it came back to the price. Okay. So gold, on the other hand, again, we haven't entered here. We enter on Nasdaq. I just wanted to see how it goes. But gold, yeah, it's going in now. And as I said, I wasn't very interested in shorts, despite we took this liquidity from the news high. I would follow the daily trend on gold, especially on 5 minutes. Okay, we're running minus here. Oh, that's a big drop. I don't like the way of it. Yeah, that's a nasty candle. We couldn't even take this liquidity. Okay. Okay. 3 seconds. You can turn it around. How does it look, the 5-minute candle? This 5-minute close, it doesn't look very bright. Okay, turn it, okay. Hmm. Come on, you can do it. Very good. Okay. Turn this 5-minute. Sellers are strong. Come on, buyers. Gold managed to turn it around. Yeah, on gold right now, on theory, we are on break even. We choose the bad horse today, it seems. Now we range now in this area here. I think we're gonna take us out, and then it's gonna continue for this liquidity here. And from here we can see further down move. It doesn't look very good. Okay, gold is break even. Oop. On Nasdaq or on gold? Yeah, gold is break even. Did you enter on gold as well? No. Okay, on gold we're going to 5 minutes now. Yeah, yeah. There's plenty of liquidity down here as well. But if I want to see a breaker, I want to see it on 5 minutes. Breakout candle. Yeah, Nasdaq will take us out any second, and yeah. Yeah, I didn't like this sound. I wouldn't understand if this happened after liquidity grab, but just like this. Okay, new 5 minutes just opened. What is the daily candle? Yeah, it's trying to reverse it. We can't stay in this range. No, we're gonna take something from either way. Now you go for the highs, don't you? Can we say we're gonna reverse this daily candle or at least grab some liquidity? HI high is like a support here. It's very risky to go against the trend with the established support here. It's been resistance couple of times, and then become a support after the news, after the speech. Two more minutes and 30 seconds. This is too short of a distance. Let's see. We're just waiting now. We're just waiting. I'm pretty sure we're gonna grab those highs from the news. Ideally, we're gonna grab them and then reverse close below and go for those lows here. Now, what is this liquidity? Something odd. Ideally, this is what I want to see. To grab one of them and then go for the other one. One more minute till candle close. If we don't have a breakout, we're gonna wait for the next 5 minutes. I don't wanna, really, I don't wanna short gold. I don't think it's a good idea. It doesn't tick all my boxes, this trade. Nasdaq was a good trade. Wait a second. Did we took the news? S&P 500? No. There is no SMT. There's nothing. Nope. There's SMT here. You see how the news low grabbed this liquidity? Well, here we didn't. And then we saw this move up. So this backup as well our theory and idea. Okay, we don't have any candle closer yet. I'm gonna grab something to eat actually. Be right back. Mm. Depending of this candle, can aim for those lows. Okay, we get it back now. Hey chat, say something here. Hey. One viewer. Okay, that's something. It's better than nothing. 43 seconds. Seconds. Nothing interesting. Goat is trying to close below. Hmm. Should we go with it? Three more minutes. Okay. Now he's trying even harder. I'm back on it. Hmm. What is the range? 7 ticks. 2 more minutes. I think I'm gonna wait. I don't like this area of support here. I haven't entered. I'm just marking the area. 1 hour here. Not bad, not bad. 2 hour, a bit optimistic. Oh my days. Are you joking, man? We could move to break even now. Oh my days. Look at this. Look at this breakout. It's a risk-free trade. Basically, risk-free trade. Oh my days. It didn't respect this area at all. And Nasdaq once again, it just wicked us out, and now it's going for our initial target. Those news high. But I want to see wick and then back down. Just like this. And going for this liquidity low. News low. Liquidity down there. Oh my days! Are you joking? Look at this. It keeps going. 0.76. If you hit 1 hour with one candle, I'll be mad. Let's see. This is risk-free trade by my standards. Since we made 0.5, you move to break even. That's it. You're risk-free. Whatever you get out of it, you get out of it. What a 5-minute candle, 7 ticks. It will eat the daily candle. It's eating it alive. And we're going for this 1 hour. Nasdaq. Range, 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 news, range. Share something, chat. Did you take any trades here in those conditions? Hit our break even because I'll be mad otherwise, really. I think it's gonna take it now. It's go even lower by the look of it. Chad, did you had any trades? Whoever is joining now, we had one trade, which it was during the 5-minute orb. Then is this orb right here. We entered right here, stop loss below. And I wanted to see how it takes this liquidity and then move to break even. And ideally right all the way up to the previous day high. But it just turned around, took us out, and then it came back to the price. And I'm certain it's gonna take this liquidity here, those highs. What I'm looking for now, it's a wick close below this gap and then short to this liquidity down here. This is the perfect scenario. Okay, goat is hesitating here, coming back a bit. Oh, what did you do? 0.82. Yeah, take us out on break even now. My days. Hmm. Thank you for the hearts, chat. On the other platform, we had 8 views at some point. Not bad. And here 5. Come on, chat. Share something. What do you think? Share your thoughts. Ah, such a bad move from Nasdaq, really. Where was our entry? Yeah, on this candle. This was our entry. This could end up so much better. So much better. You're just playing around. Nothing we can do right now. Nothing is happening. We missed this move. Nasdaq is in a range. It can't take a decision where it's gonna break. It's been more than 30 minutes now. Almost 40 minutes. It can take a decision. Range, range, range. Yes. Yes, Juicy Kitchen. Range, range, range. Gold made some move, but it didn't finish it. And we're not in, so we don't catch it as well. We're just watching this one. What if US are close above long or wait for reversal? I think when we take this liquidity right here from those news highs, we're gonna have better idea. So we're gonna wait first to take the liquidity and candle close, of course, and then we're gonna decide. Look at gold. Yeah, it's gonna hit 1 hour now. With all the juicy liquidity down here. Take it. Take it, it's yours. Yeah. Oh well. That was unfortunate. That was really unfortunate. Unfortunately, gold is looking good. Yeah, we're gonna wait a little bit more. Gonna wait a little bit more. Go, just keep going down. Yeah, we're just waiting. We're just waiting here. This 5-minute candle, if it goes below. But ideally I wanted to see this liquidity out of the game. We'll see. We'll see. Gold is coming back up. It collects some liquidity from here. Come on, Nasdaq, do something. Let me see. Delete this. We're trending below the Asian high. This is important to be noticed. Let's see the DR. So we had an down, up, and the next open was even higher. So it's an up model. It will be huge recovery if it managed to close above. Let me see. This range is killing me with Nasdaq. Look at this range. There's basically 11 more minutes for the DR, but there's 1 minute for this candle closure, so we can see what's gonna happen. Oh god, it's recovering. Yeah, DR range here is very big. It's down to the Asian high. It's gonna be a good trade if it closes below. Actually, it's gonna turn the whole candle down. Asian lows target, not bad. But let's see this candle. Let's see this candle. Fourteen seconds. You know what? We might try this one. Whoa. Okay. I'm in on this one. I'm in on this one. Okay, it looks good. Started good. Stop loss I put it above the orb. TP, I'm gonna aim high. I'm gonna aim high for the Asian lows. But how long till here? 0.82. Okay, even before that, we're gonna move to break even. 0.5, we're gonna move to break even. Somewhere around here. If we get around here, we're gonna move to break even. Let's see on my C trader how it looks. Stop loss on the highs. Dip it down here. Don't play this game with us, come on. You can do it. What do you think, chat? Come on, US. Yes, come on, let's go, Nasdaq. Yeah. So, I think we're running on minus. Yes, for a bit. This is how it looks like on C trader. Stop loss on the highs. And I put take profit down on those lows here. We'll see how it's gonna end up. It looks alright. I'm expecting some retrace. We need to grab some lows or highs of those news. What do you think, chat? We're gonna make it? Okay, that's a good push. That's a good push. We can turn the whole candle. We can turn the whole daily candle. This is our goal. Turn the whole candle and come all the way down. 1.66. We can do it. 0.82 here. We can do it. Chat, what do you think? How does it look to you? We left some wicks yesterday. We're gonna leave some wick today, and if we can go all the way, oh my day, the previous day low, this will be amazing. This will be amazing if we make it all the way down. Something odd here. What do you think, chat? Yeah, gold made 1R on the orb, and now it's going back up. Okay, this looks good, it seems. Where is my seat? Oh, beautiful, beautiful push. Okay. Beautiful push. Keep going, keep going. Don't stop now. Take those lows. This is very beautiful 5-minute candle. Let's close like this. Don't go any higher. Just close it like this. Show us how strong you are. What do you think, chat? Be right back. Oh my days! That's a great push. One more sell off. Hello, hello, mate. Great push. And from here, we're doing this. Oh my days. 1.6. We took those lows. 1.5. Not bad, not bad. We're moving to break even. We're moving to break even just like this. And we keep holding this. We keep holding this. Now we took those lows. We almost took them. Oh, we turned the candle. Beautiful. Beautiful. You called it. You called it. That's right. 1 hour. I'm out on. There you go. Exactly 1 hour. I'm out. That's it. I can't hold all the way down. At least I'm honest with you, mate. Hey, mate, reversal on next 5. Yeah, that's why I'm seeing that soon we're gonna close. Oh my days. It keep going. I think we're gonna take the Asian low. Yeah, but 2 hour is okay. 2 hour is okay. 1 hour is okay, you know. I went in with 2%. So yeah, with 2%. That was with 2%. So I can't complain. Can't complain. We missed the gold, mate. Just earlier, there was this trade, and now on DR, actually we can go in on gold on DR. So we're gonna stay for the DR session as well. On gold, look what happened. We had this range. It closed here, but I didn't like this support level down here. And look, a beautiful orb trade as well on gold. 1.6, so 1 hour. I would take it out. Out plus 1 hour. That's it, Juicy Kitchen. That's it. Let's go. Here's 84. Oh, thank you for the support, mate. Orb DR is closing in 1 minute. So if we see a push above, we open our eyes for a trade. How much is it? 123. Not bad, not bad. But I went out on one. That's it. Those news, I'm a little bit scared. We turned the daily candle, which is very strong, guys. Oh, where is the camera? Sorry. I'm gonna make myself big now. Hey, that's it. So yeah, we turned that candle, the daily candle, which is a big sign. That's a big sign, guys. It doesn't happen every day. Yeah, yeah. I think it can go even lower, but I was with 2% in, so I rarely go in with 2%. There we go. Beautiful trade. And it happened pretty fast, to be honest. It was for a couple of minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 candles. 7 minutes. 2 hours secured. Not bad. Reversal incoming. Let me see the big picture. Oh, we took these lows as well. Okay. Let's see for any SMT. Right. We took the lows. We took the lows. Somebody have interest for these lows? I think this is the Asian lows. Yes, 1 o'clock. This is the Asian lows. Reversal incoming. You think so? Yeah, it could be a reversal now. Did you went out? 1 hour? Exactly. One something. I know you. I know. I know you. One something. Yeah, I'm with 2%. I wanted to see one of those liquidities getting swept. And if it's not this one, then it should be this one. So we open new 30-minute candle as well, guys. So yeah, gold actually, we might have a trade on gold on DR as well. Yeah, it's closing soon above, and our stop loss will be under this fair value gap here. And we're gonna target previous weekly high. But there's two more minutes. There's 2 more minutes. Pearson, what do you think about gold? Let me check the comments on the other platform. No, there's no comments here. Do you trade gold as well? Not at the moment. Right. Okay, we couldn't close. But to be honest, I'm happy we couldn't with this candle because this was a big move. I want to see a bit of a range. Maybe come back, close this candle like this, come back with one candle here, and then go further. Now, since we had a sweep of this liquidity, and even this liquidity, which was a great target, we would go for even lower. Pearson, we turn around the daily candle. We don't do this every day, you know? And I'm a bit afraid it could keep going down. Ideally, if we see some structure like this, I might go in with this breaker. I might go in after this breaker and the retest with lows here, target this liquidity here. Because in the beginning of the session, I said I want to see one of those news liquidities taken out of the game and then reverse to the other side. And I was certain it's gonna do the one on the top and then we're gonna go even lower. But if it's the other way around, I'm happy with it as well. So if I see some structure, or even better, I'm gonna tell you this, it will be even better if it makes something like this. It takes those lows on Asia and then turn around. This will be even better. And thank you for the coins, man. I've never received anything on TikTok. This is my first stream actually on TikTok. Oh, what's going on with gold? Okay, we have this fair value gap here. We have this fair value gap here. We put a wick above the DR and we close down I'm gonna stay with you for maybe yeah, I'm gonna stay for a couple more minutes because I want to see. This is interesting setup here on gold, and it's very interesting as well on Nasdaq. Wow, wow, wow! That's it. We could hold a little bit more. Yeah, we could hold a little bit more. So we can see a unicorn model here. We took a lot of liquidity. We took plenty of liquidity. I'm gonna take this all out. I'm gonna take the orb out. So I want to see how it's gonna take the Asian low, and this is what we're waiting for, guys. Low, high, low, high, and up. This is what we're waiting for. And we're gonna enter on the retest, stop loss on the previous lows, and we're gonna target liquidity levels, or even better, this news liquidity. So this is oh, I think we took the Asian low. Just we took the Asian. Let me check for SMT. Because yes, we have SMT with S&P 500, which is good sign. If we keep the SMT, this is a great sign. Up. I'm gonna change it now. But only if we keep it. Only if we keep it that way. We should leave those lows untouched by S&P. We could take maybe 2R here. Could we? Could we? 1, 2, 3 candles for the orb. This is our orb. And this is our entry. This is our stop loss. And we're running at 1.72. Not bad. This is more than 3,000 pounds. Not bad. And here's 4K. 4K right here. And we might do it. What's doing? What's doing? Okay. Nothing interesting. Another week. 1 more minute for this candle. I wanted to see retrace into the value gap, to be honest. To collect some liquidity and then to have some power. Some force to go even higher. I'll eat my ears if we hit 2R here. But to be honest, if I was with 1%, I would wait for those 2R and will be the same result. So I'm still happy. Not gonna lie, I'm still happy with it. It was a good win. I'm happy with this win. Almost took it. Did you saw from almost daily high how we turn around to a daily low in matter of, what is this, 31 minutes? In 31 minutes. So this is the power of the New York session. This is the volume of the New York session. Okay, now we're gonna open our eyes for unicorn setup here. Can we go lower for this liquidity? The way we're going down, I think we can. Or even for previous day low. Can we go lower? Okay, to have unicorn, we need to see breaker, guys. We need to see breaker block right here. Oh, not fair value gap, what I'm doing. We need to see break of structure right here. We need to close above those highs. Or the other option is to make new lows, and this is gonna be the low and the high that we need to break above. Goat. Goat, left a wick, another wick. We retrace to the fair value gap. What do you think, chat? Can we see unicorn here? So we have low, high, low, high, and what's gonna be the next one? Unicorn, that's it. That's it, juicy. Where's gonna be the next one? I prefer to see another low and then breaking the structure here. Then our boss will be changed here. And we can enter on retest. Now when I'm trading unicorn, I always keep my percentage very low because you're aiming for 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. So there is no point risking more than 0.5, I would say. It's not like the ARP when usually you go 1 to 1. Going long on NQ. Well, you have major liquidity swept. It makes sense. But as I said, I'm waiting for some structure. I'm waiting for something to back up my idea. And this will be the unicorn model. Something that's gonna back up my idea will be the unicorn model. Because from here, we can make a new low. New low. Grab this liquidity, and from here, we can start the move. So we need to see a confirmation. We need to see something that confirm the move. Any structure. It could be respecting of a bullish order flow. It could be as what I'm looking now, unicorn. But we need to see something. And the idea is that we want to see a candle closing above the old highs. This is what we want to see here. This is good reaction. This is what I wanted to see. Okay. And here we are waiting for something like candle close, retest, and going higher. To be honest, they're both looking good. My fingers are itching for long, but we wait. Exactly, I'm the same. Don't get me wrong, I'm the same. But we need to see something. We can't just enter like this. Confluence is going. Everything it can turn around for a second. It can turn around for as well. I think we will go higher than this. True. Yes. Yes. I agree. It was a textbook sweep of Asia low. So let's see. Again, Pierce, I'm not touching the buy button until I see this retrace of the area, and my buy will be somewhere here. This will be my buy. It will be right here. Target, we have beautiful target. You name it. Old highs or this liquidity of the news. Why not? Previous day high. Why not? Why not? So if we take a trade like this with stop loss below the break of structure, it's 9R. That's amazing. This is the other option. We have these lows, these highs, another low, breaking them here and continue from here. Now, okay, let's follow the order flow, right? Let's follow the order flow. We have this fair value gap. This is the first presented fair value. This is the most recent presented fair value gap. Let's see how the price is gonna react from it. It's gonna respect it. Disrespect it on 5 minutes. Yeah, this is the first good 5-minute candle. So even on 5 minutes, we have this more small fair value gap. Sorry, this small fair value gap, which give reaction. In 5 minutes, this will be problem. We need to break through this area. Keep in mind, a lot of people are selling now because of the selling pressure we saw. And the momentum trend, it's not bullish. It's bearish, the momentum. So you're going against the trend now. You see this 1 hour candle? Amazing, beautiful. We caught some of this move. That's beautiful. We'll be trending up until now. This candle, yeah, it's a big candle. It's really big candle. And we catch maybe a little bit more than 60-70% of this move. It could be much better. But again, I'm happy. I'm not saying anything. I'm happy. Something is better than nothing. This is true. This is true. I can't agree more than this. One hour is usually safe, yeah. 1 hour is usually safe. But to be honest, if I didn't enter with 2%, I would wait. But again, it would be the same because we made 2 hour. So, you know, it will be the same. I'll make the same money at the end of the day. Just I put my percent higher. Okay, now we have we have some bullish order flow. If we close this candle above, we start making something. We started from a low to a high to a low. We want to see something like this and keep going. And this will back up our bigger picture with low, high, break of structure, retest, and keep going. What is going on with gold? Okay. I can feel the next candle. It will be above the DR. It respects the fair value gap here. This is what we wanted to see. Okay, now this fair value gap is inverted fair value gap. So it should act as a support now. Let's see on 5 minutes. We start building something here. Where is my daily candle? Okay. Okay. Are you still waiting, Piers, or you're in a trade already? Not bad, man. Not bad. Are you trading your own capital or you're trading funded account? A bit of retrace, it's alright. My own capital, I mainly scalp and take small swings on 5 minutes. Well, if you scalp and you take small swings on 5 minutes, this is your entry right here. After we took the Asian low, we get back, and when we turn this candle green, this is your entry here. Hopefully you get it. Yeah, I was wondering. He did it again. He did it again. I was wondering about this a scalp here on this fair value gap. Scalp here to those highs. The other option is scalp from here. This should be our protected low. So remember on DR, 80% of the time. Oh, we didn't break above, but yeah, 80% of the time, price, if it breaks from one of the sides, it doesn't go to the other side. We respect this fair value gap twice. Oof. We need to turn around this candle. I hope you already take your win. If you're scalping, you should take your win by now. So you should be good. Or at least break even. Because reversals, they hide bigger risk rather than trend continuation. Only 7. Not bad. Out 7. That's very good. Oh, you took them already. Oh, when you ride it the first time. Okay. This is good sign now. This is good moment. Right here. This candle. Right here. This is a good sign. Oh. This candle close in the fair value gap. Inverted fair value gap. That means the inverted fair value gap holds position. So this is a fast scalp here. And gold. When I started trading, I think scalping was my main thing as well. I think everybody starts with scalping, and this is the hardest, to be honest. Being a scalper, this is the hardest. I remember in the beginning, I was doing like probably 50 entries per day, maybe more. Nowadays, if I make 2, 3, okay. We still respect the bullish order flow. So we have a low, we have a high, we have low, we have high, we have lower low. Now we want to see higher high over the breakout structure, retest, and we're gonna enter on the retest. We're gonna enter right here with take profit, who knows, we'll see. Beautiful candle. So as I said, inverted fair value gap, it holds, it turned around a black candle, it held it, and then pushed the next 2 candle up. And this is one very fast scalp right there. Thank you for the hearts, guys. Thank you for the coins. I have no idea what the coins are or how to use them, or I have no idea really. This is my first live here. Hmm. I'm a bit scared to enter on a scalp here. I'm a bit scared. Big picture here. Okay, okay, uniform is cooking. Unicorn is cooking. You can follow me as well on the other social platforms. I'm gonna post the address here now. I do mainly shorts, and I do lives there as well. This is my first live here. Yeah, this is my first live here. Okay. So, yes. I'm waiting for this unicorn to form, really. This will be a nice trade if it happens, really. We have a major liquidity. 1, news. 2, Asian low. They haven't been touched all day. And 3, beautiful structure. We just made a new higher high. So we keep going slowly but surely. Give me another higher high. Break this level. Break this level here. Break this level. This is gonna be the candle. As Dexter is saying, tonight is the night. This is the candle. Or won't be. How do you look on 1 minute? Range. This fair value holds. This fair value gap holds. This is inverted. This will be a good zone of interest here. Right here. We'll see. We'll keep watching. I won't be surprised if candle breaks and then just fly, because after you have moved like this, after it's ranging, the next one is strong. Sell on 50 minutes potentially. You said you're watching only 5 minutes. Oh, you mean, yeah, it can turn around. Or maybe not. If we close above, maybe not. Don't make me doubt in the unicorn now. Don't make me doubt. My question is, are we gonna flip this daily candle one more time? This is the big question. Are we gonna flip it and make it green? Because I think we can do it. I think we can do it. Now, 1 hour. Beautiful wick. This is what you want to see on 1 hour. Wick below and push higher. Okay, now what we're waiting for. We have this structure. What we're waiting for, retest of this area, and we enter. We are coming from here. So this is our break right here. I want to see this candle closing like this. I'm gonna prepare my C trader. Where is my C trader? Oh, it's on this window. Prepare my C trader. I'm gonna mark some areas here as well. Now, how it's gonna look like. I'm gonna put my stop loss under those lows here. And I'm gonna aim for the news high right here. 2.9 with 0.5%. Now, all we are waiting for is a retrace. Oh, we are right in the middle of the daily candle. We are at the daily open. So what I'm waiting, a retrace. This is a very good sign of this 1 hour candle. This is I didn't saw it earlier. It's a very good sign. 5 minutes looking good. 15 minutes Looking very good. We're gonna flip the weekly as well. Yeah, I think we're gonna do it. Yeah, we're gonna do it. This is gonna be a good one. So yeah, all we need now is a retrace right here, and then we can let it run. This is all we need. What do you think, Pearson? Can we see a pullback? It's setting up well. Yeah, I see it as well. I see it as well. It's A plus setup. This is A plus setup. We just need to see a pullback. Pullback on X5. Sounds very good. I can't agree more with you. And do you know what we want to see on the next 5? We want to see this fair value gap holds position. This is what we want to see. We want to see this one closing like this candle, and then the next one just tap the area, maybe go even further down, but close inside. And on the next move, when we're getting out, we are getting in. One more minute. Come on, let's see pull back on the next 5. That's it. See, trader is open. Come on, go deeper. That's it. Go deeper. Beautiful. Beautiful. You caught this candle. And I think right here we need to do the entry pretty soon. Yeah, this one is flipping. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. But this candle was beautiful. Oh my days. It's a textbook. Everything is textbook. I'm gonna wait for one more candle. I think one more candle will push down for better entry. I'm gonna get better entry, I'm gonna miss it. Okay. That's it. I'm in. Stop loss under this liquidity here. TP all the way up. 1 to 3. With small percent. With small percent here. We enter with small percent. Now let's see the 5-minute candle. As we spoke, we want to see how it's gonna close in a way that it won't break the fair value gap. This will be beautiful. It's going. Good luck, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Well, I risk only 0.5, so the setup, it's worth it. When you see this kind of setup, it's just worth it. It's just worth it to try it. If it doesn't play out. This is how it looks like here. This is how it looks like. So this is basically the breaker. The stop loss is just below. And yeah, we're aiming for this. Where is the news high right here? We get almost the optimal entry. Almost. Now, I won't be surprised if we return down here as well on this inverted fair value gap. Right here on this one. But it shouldn't. Like, if this candle close like this, it'll be beautiful. What's happening with gold? Gold will close up as well. But with big wick. You're not happy with it? No? No. I just wanna I'm not entering here. I'm just gonna put this like a potential trade. I just wanna see how it's gonna play out. Actually, I'm gonna target 1-to-1 here. Like this. Just as a potential trade. Okay, 5 minutes looks good. Now the next 5 minutes, we need it in different color. You think it will sell for 5 more minutes? Yeah, we saw a good push up. Yeah, I won't be surprised if we see tapping this area here. Our stop loss is just under. Is it? No, it's not here. Our stop loss is here. Yeah, our stop loss is just under. Okay, let's follow the order flow now. We have this fair value gap, which is red. I need to plug in my Mac. Where is the cable? If we want to see a bigger push, it's normal to see a retrace now. So I'm not scared by this retrace. As long as our stop loss is not hit. It's under the breaker structure. It's under fair value gap. I hope only a wick won't take us out. But again, I'll enter on this one every day, really. I'm going to enter on this one every day. So let's see what we had. We had Asian lows swept, tick. We had bullish structure, tick. We had change of character here, tick. We had 5-minute fair value gap inside. There we go. We turn it green now. That's beautiful. We have a 5-minute fair value gap inside the breaker. Just tapped in, tick. 1 hour candle, have a wick below, tick. Really, for me, it's A plus setup, and I will take it any day. Now we want to see this fair value gap, how it's gonna react. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. How long is it? 5 days. It's close. It was and this setup, they deserve to see the market and see what's gonna happen. Probably I'm gonna end up the stream here, and as always, after every live, I post my results on my other platform. I'm gonna leave a link below here again in the comments. I'll be more than happy if you join the guys. And yeah, I'll show some results, as every time after live session I'm posting results there. And I'll leave this trade running until it hits my stop loss, my TP, or who knows, break even. We'll see how it goes, and I'm gonna manage it. But I'm really hungry now. I need to take a shower, and yeah, I'll better go do something. So for each of you, thank you to be with me and take your time with me, and I hope you learned something. Ooh, bad candle. Get away, get away. And yeah, nice meeting you, Piers. And yeah, till next time, guys.